If you're a driver, you're of course aware of the photo radar machines that take pictures of cars who are breaking the law, speed limit, running traffic lights, things like that. But this driver must have had a 4-leaf clover tucked away in his pocket because a hero bird saved him from a $300 fine by interfering in the picture at the exact right time to block his license plate. Make sure to comment down below which of these clips shocked you the most, and please leave a thumbs up on the video and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. See you next time!